Hello everybody, today we're going to solve a square root equation. We have square root of x minus 5 minus square root of x equal to negative 1. Now in order to solve this square root equation, I need to isolate the square root of x minus 5. So I need to take this to the other side. So I add square root of x on both sides, and that would give us square root of x minus 5. This cancels, equal to, I can write this before, square root of x minus 1. So remember, whenever you are solving an equation with two square roots, you want to have one square root on each side of the equation. So now we need to solve for this square root equation. To solve this, I need to raise both sides of the equation to the power of 2. Why did I do that? Because I have a square root equation here. The index is 2, so I raise everything to the second power. Now, if you recall, square root of a squared, that's equal to a. The square cancels the square root, and whatever you have here comes out. Or you can write it like this, square root of a squared. This is also equal to a. So now when I raise square root of x minus 5 to the second power, the radicand comes out, and you end up with x minus 5 on the left side of the equation. Now this is going to be different because this is a binomial raised to the second power. So here you have like a minus b squared. Now this is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, a is your first term, so here this is your a and this is your b. So a squared, then that will give me square root of x squared minus 2 times a times b. 2 times a is square root of x times b, which is 1, plus b squared plus 1 squared. And now we simplify it. We get x minus 5 on the left side, and square cancels the square root. So what comes out? The x minus 2 times 1, that's 2, square root of x plus 1 square, which is 1. Okay? Now you could have done this directly. You could have used the square root of x squared. You could have gone directly to x if you like. I just wanted to make that extra step here. Now we're not done yet. We still have a radical in here. So we have to isolate this and then raise it to the second power. So we need to isolate this. So if we subtract x on both sides and we subtract 1 on both sides, so this would cancel and this would cancel, and in here, the x's are going to cancel as well. You have negative 5 minus 1, that's negative 6, and that is equal to negative 2 square root of x. Now you can multiply by a number, but in here what I would do is I divide by negative 2 or multiply by negative 1/2. So if I divide by negative 2, what's going to happen? Negative 6 divided by negative 2, that's going to give me 3 equal. The negative 2 divided by negative 2 cancel. And what's left is square root of x. Now to solve for x here, we need to raise both sides of the equation to the second power, square both sides of the equation. Why do we do that? So that we can get rid of the radical. Square root of x squared is just x. The square cancels the square root, and you have x, and 3 squared, that's equal to 9. So x equal 9 is our solution. Now we need to find out if 9 satisfies the original equation. So you need to check it. The original equation is square root of x minus 5 minus square root of x equal to negative 1. Now plug in 9 for x. We get 9 minus 5 minus square root of 9. And we want to find out if this is equal to negative 1. So square root of 9 minus 5, that's 4, minus square root of 9, that's 3, Again, I need to find out if they're equal. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 minus 3. And yes, they are equal. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 equal to negative 1. So the solution is 9. So that is your solution. X equal to 9. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.